Hello guys, in this video I would like to show you very basic repair of laptop, which can be funny for many of you. So let's jump in. This thing was annoying me. This laptop, it was Latitude 7300, so it's very high version, but most of them they got rubber feet like this, you see. And what happened, they will peel from the side, from here. They will peel more and more. It doesn't even seems to have any adhesive here, or maybe it's just worn out, but it feels like when I peel it off it doesn't have any adhesive, so I'm not sure how it is done. But you can see I have started here. What I wanted to show you, basically the easiest things how to repair this is just peel this off, buy some big pads, rubber pads, and stick them in 4 places. Make sure they are high enough, higher than this, so they must be at least 3 millimeters, maybe 5 millimeters, even better to cool down your laptop. But I just tried to repair it as it is, and it was more difficult, of course, because I was using this, I don't know how you call it, second super power glue. I don't know, in Thailand it's called look at this, it's called Gauron, but instant bonding, I don't know, in my country, in Germany, Sekundenkleber super glue. So this is thing which works the best for this. Double-sided adhesive is not a very good idea, but anyway, I use a little bit. I will just put a little bit here, and then I put this glue around, and this adhesive will actually hold that rubber while this glue will dry. So of course then I will tip it, and I will just put the laptop in normal position to make sure it's there. So this side is done. As this thing peel, it's actually stretch. So as you can see, I cut this end, I can't find the rest, but it's stretched, so you can't glue it just back, because this end is 3 millimeters longer or so. So I cut this, and I cut like 3 millimeters out of it. So then I glue this part separately, and now this is the last part I'm gonna do. But why I'm doing this video, the main reason, this glue, you know, if you're not a little bit careful, you try to do it fast and you don't close it, what can happen? Look at this. This is what happened to me. I dropped something here. So if you drop something, you want to wipe it straight away and make sure it's not gonna go on your screen. If you are clever and you buy Disney's laptop, so you got no problem to open it, just open it and do it like this. That's the main point of this video, to tell you, do it like this, because if you drop something in these holes, so I didn't pay attention, I dropped it here, so it was still good. If I drop it here somewhere on the speaker, or somewhere here, I don't know, on the fan or wherever, you just don't want that thing, because you can even damage your laptop. So do it like this, That's what I would say. I will try to do it. I don't have hands free. As I said, this side is finished, and you can see it was up to here, and there was a small dimple and hole. Of course they don't fit in each other, so it looks like a small bubble. Here I just glued this end a little bit, 1 centimeter, as you see. Still hole, but never mind, I haven't done this at all. So this is the last bit which I wanna do. Maybe you will see it, maybe not. I will try to capture. If you don't see it, just forget it. But this is the main things. Be careful. If you're gonna drop something, just do it like this. If you have these cheap laptops, cheap, 400, which I tell you, don't buy those laptops from you won't even open it easily, you won't clean it easily, and they last nothing. Build quality is horrible. These are business laptops which are new, 800, 900. So you can open them easily, you can upgrade the things easily, memory. This is old model. New models you won't even upgrade the things, but here you can clean the fan, you can, I don't know, replace Telmar paste, replace SSD. So these business laptops, the way you want to go. Second hand will cost you half of the price of these new crap laptops which you can't open and you can't repair. These business laptops you can repair. There is plenty of them on the market, plenty of parts. So, but I should do the guide how to buy a laptop. So this is all in one. Anyway, this is a quality business laptop, but you see, the most loaded are feet, and even they are not worn out, they just peel off. You see, even that sticker, Windows sticker, is not worn out. Nothing is worn out, and I will just peel off. So let's see if I can do something here. Let's see if you can see something. I will do it like this because the camera is there. Okay, it seems to be running. I hope my phone will not drop off. Okay. So here is my tool. Metal will be better, but these ones got already some layer of glue, so it's not gonna soak that much. Let's see if that glue is still usable. And as I said, in my case, actually that glue wasn't going out. And then I push a little bit and put it aside, and it just, yeah, so it's choked. So now you don't want to do this over top of the laptop. It doesn't look that bad. Yeah, it's actually going. You see now, and it's going, and I'm messing about, I'm not paying attention, and it's going away. It's going everywhere. And of course I forgot to put that tape there. So it doesn't matter. Anyway, this is just test. So see, I wanna do this fast. You probably don't care if the glue is everywhere or not. Okay, and that's it, guys. Now you push middle, maybe it will go on the side. I put mainly in the middle, so you wanna push that from the middle side. Yeah. So the walls will be this access here, because that will scratch your, I don't know, furniture or whatever. If you have something, it's got like varnish on the top. Right. So you wanna wipe this access from here as much as possible. As I said, if you have some furniture which is easy to scratch, I did this few days ago, so it looks okay. But anyway, you can ask me. I'm using these laptop every day, so if it goes, it goes. It was annoying sometimes when I use it on my legs. It was just peeling. Yeah. So remember, you cut a little bit of that, I don't know, 3 millimeters. What is the access, because it will stretch. So I cut the access and I glue this part and this part. Not sure what is better, but I did this part first, so I didn't cut here. So you can see there's a bubble, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway, mainly I did this video just for you to be careful and don't drop the glue. Don't drop that glue like me here. Or even I was just using this stick. This wooden stick, I was just bringing this glue, like I had that glue on the side and I bring it like this. And by doing that, you see here the very thin floss of the glue. I was bringing it like this from the side, and you see I messed this up, but it doesn't really matter. This is bottom. This is not gonna bother you. No, this is way more annoying. See this bubble? As I said, there was a dimple, small hole and small dimple on the rubber, and because it stretched all the way here, it peeled all the way here and stretched a little bit. When I glue it in, it didn't fit that dimple. on the rubber didn't fit in the hole. So anyway, we did this one. As I said, I forgot to put the double-sided tape in the middle, and then I put this glue on the sides. This time I just put glue in the middle, so we will see. This one is glue in the middle. These are with a double-sided tape and glue around. Just see, just thin like this, 2 millimeters, just a little bit. Never mind, we will see which one is better after a while. I will write here, and this one doesn't have double-sided tape. No tape here. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope it helped. Don't be stupid. Don't buy laptops which you can't open easily like this one. The first thing. The second thing, don't drop the glue inside like I did. No, inside. Well, I can say I was lucky I didn't drop it on the speaker, because if you glue the speaker, right, well, that will be. So if you're gonna fix your feet, don't damage the whole laptop, right? This was bad condition here inside anyway. This rubber layer. Well, I haven't seen that on the older models. I got 3 years older models and they got rubber and they didn't peel like this, but maybe because too much work like this. Okay, guys, I hope this one helped, and stupid video, but anyway, thanks for watching. Maybe stupid video, but can help. Enjoy, guys.